In this video, we will show you how to install your mass airflow sensor. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you need to do for the mass airflow sensor is to make your way right underneath this area. You're going to find that you have a red tab. We'll use a flathead screwdriver, grab onto that red tab, and gently pull it towards the front of the vehicle to unlock it. Once you've done that, continue on with your index finger right underneath the center of this. We'll squeeze in and remove the wiring harness. Once you do, give it a quick check for corrosion. Assuming it looks good, set that aside. Now we can remove our two T20 mounting screws. Remove your mass airflow sensor. There it is, friends. Okay friends, now it's time to install your mass airflow sensor. When you're doing this, you want to make sure you have this area with the sensing agent facing towards where the air filter is. Go ahead and slide this into position. Once you have it in position, continue on starting in each of your mounting bolts and then snug them up. Make sure the mass airflow sensor is secured to your air filter housing. You do not want any dirty or unmetered air making its way into your engine. You will have a running condition. Continue on with your wiring harness. We're going to press this in as far as we can, listen for a click, and then we're going to press in the red locking tab to lock it in position. There's our click. Lock it in. Okay friends, we fully installed the mass airflow sensor. At this point, go ahead and hop inside the vehicle, start it up, let it run for a little while, make sure you don't have a check engine light. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.